Fellas, have you ever put an outfit together in your head for an occasion and thought, right, that's what I'm going to wear? You put the outfit on, you finally step in front of the mirror and something is just off. I know it's happened to me many times over the decades. Well, in today's vlog, we're going to go through some of the reasons why your clothes might be looking cheap and what you can do to fix it. Okay, so the first reason your outfit may be looking cheap, and I've gone over this time and time again in my vlogs before, and that is if you've got a poor fit. You can have the most expensive piece of clothing, but if it's either way too big or way too tight, it's just going to make you look cheap. So what's the fix for this scenario? Well, if you cannot get a piece that looks tailored or a piece that you've had made bespoke, then there is nothing wrong with getting some fast fashion off the shelf, but take it to a tailor. Some small, inexpensive tweaks here and there can really send your outfit from looking cheap to looking expensive, as simply as that. Reason number 2 is low quality fabrics. Shiny, thin, overstretchy fabrics just scream cheap. Also, they tend to wear out really quick and they certainly don't sit well on the body. But the fix for this is simple. Again, you don't have to spend a fortune. Just make sure that you're selecting the right fabrics that are going to make you look expensive and classy. So instead of the shiny, synthetic type looking products, go for cotton, go for wool, go for linen. Even mixed blend fabrics will be fine, so long as they've got some structure to them and they feel nice and soft, then they're going to look expensive. Reason number 3 is visible wear and tear. Any piece that looks colour faded, that looks washed out, that's got frayed edges is instantly going to downgrade your outfit and make it look cheap. Even if it's a well-loved piece, any visible damage is just not going to give off the polished vibe you want. So is there a fix for this? Well, unfortunately, not really. The only thing you can do in this situation is replace those worn out staples and make sure that you've got a good rotation in your wardrobe so that moving forward you avoid excessive wear. Reason number 4 is over-the-top logos. Too many logos or flashy branding can actually have a reverse effect and make your outfit look tacky instead of trendy. So the fix for this, in my opinion, is stick to unbranded pieces, or at the very least very subtly branded pieces, and instead put your attention on the design and the fit, because this really enhances your outfit and gives it that expensive polished vibe that you're looking for. Okay, reason number 5 is neglected shoes. Your shoes say a lot about you as a person. In actual fact, the shoes are of utmost importance when you're building an outfit, because typically you will start at the feet and work your way up. However, if you're wearing scruffy, dirty, or even overly trendy shoes, no matter how good the rest of your outfit is, this can instantly bring it down and make it look cheap. So what's the fix for this? Well, it's pretty straightforward. Make sure you've got a good shoe cleaning kit. This will always make sure your shoes are well presented. Also as well, when you are buying shoes, buy different styles. You know, buy some loafers, buy some Oxfords, buy some Chelsea boots as an example. And try to get a good variation of colours, because this will give you a better chance of rotating your footwear, which again is going to lead to less excessive wear. Okay, reason number 6 is overly trendy pieces. Yes, I know trendy pieces can be fun, but if they don't suit your age or personality, then I think they're just going to come off that you're trying too hard. So what's the fix for this? What's the solution? Well, again, this is something I've gone over before in the past, but focus on classic, timeless pieces that are not going to go out of style. You know, I'm thinking crisp button-down shirts, polo shirts, chinos, blazers, well-fitted jeans. All of these kinds of pieces are going to help to actually enhance the value of how you look in an outfit. Okay, reason number 7 is incorrect colour combinations. Now, I actually dropped a video around a week ago on this very subject. This is the video here, and I'll put a link in the description so you can go and watch that. However, if you're wearing a really nice outfit but the colour combinations aren't right, then the outfit's just not going to work. It could potentially come off looking cheap. So what's the fix of this? Well, first of all, understand your complexion, your skin tone. Once you've got that, then work with natural colour palettes. You know, your navies, your greys, your charcoals, your blacks, your earth colours, because all of these will help to give off a polished look and an expensive look at the same time. Okay, reason number 8 is poorly ironed or wrinkled clothes. Creased and badly ironed, wrinkled clothes scream, I've just got out of bed and I really couldn't be bothered. Even the most expensive pieces, if they're not well maintained, they can look cheap. So what's the fix for this one? Well, I think it's pretty self-explanatory, but that is make sure that you iron or steam your clothes every single time before you wear them. Invest in a quality iron or a quality steamer because this will make the process a lot easier for you. But again, it will take the cheapness away from your outfit and make you look $1 million. Okay, reason number 9 is bad stitching. Bad stitching or loose threads is typically a dead giveaway for cheap clothing. However, the fix for this one is pretty straightforward, and that is simply make sure you're inspecting every piece that you're considering buying before you actually purchase it. If you happen to pick up an item and it has got lots of loose threads or bad stitching in it, put it down, walk away from it and go and buy another product. Okay, my last reason number 10, and that is skipping accessories entirely. You can have the best looking outfit, but if you haven't put any accessories with it, it can actually come off unfinished and quite boring. So the fix for this one is pretty straightforward again, and that is pick up some nice quality accessories. A nice wristwatch. Doesn't have to be expensive, but make sure it complements the outfits and the colour combinations that you're wearing on that particular day. Maybe choose a nice leather belt. If you're wearing something like a blazer, maybe consider a pocket square. All these things will help to elevate the outfit and really finish the outfit off and give it that expensive look that you're going for. So there you have it, guys, my 10 reasons why your clothing could be looking cheap. If you have enjoyed today's vlog, please remember to hit that like button. Also, drop me a comment. Let me know any other reasons that you can think of that could make clothing look cheap. Lastly, I am going to ask you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It's absolutely free to do it. We're a very small channel, but we wish to continue to grow, and every one of your subscriptions really helps. Anyway, enjoy whatever you're doing for the rest of the day, and I'll get back to you again soon.